Hello friends, welcome to this video where we are going to discuss the mushroom farming. We are going to cover the three steps here. One is how much space is required to start mushroom farming, what are the basic requirements, what are the basic steps to grow the mushroom in your farm, and step by step mathematical calculation we'll look into whether to go for this business or not. So let us start with the space requirements. If you see, we are taking example of 50 gauge, 50 yards, square yards area, that is 450 square feet, 15 into 30 area, okay, with height of 15 feet. Okay, we can go for this kind of racks. So this kind of example we are starting with because this is very less space and this may be available with most of the beginners. Okay, so how we are going to start in this area, we can start with 1500 bags. Okay, so all the calculation which we are going to discuss will be based on this only. So in 50 gauge area we can have 1500 bags. So how we are going to start, we can go for ready to use compost which will be available in this kind of polythenes. We can buy it from the market. It is very easily available. Just check it around in your market, you will find so many sellers who are selling the compost for mushroom. So these bags we are talking about, 1500 bags will be there, which will be placed in 50 gauge space where 15 feet high racks will be there. Such racks will be there and we can place these 1500 racks, 1500 bags in a room. So how, what we are going to do, we just have to buy these 1500 bags from the market and keep it for 15 days as it is, without touching it, without doing anything. So but only thing is we need to maintain 26 to 28-degree temperature. After that, this outer which is looking blackish in color, it will become white. So that means, that will indicate that this bag is ready to grow the mushrooms. So white color will appear. This will be your first indication, which will appear in 15 days. When in these 15 days, we have to do nothing but to maintain temperature only 25, 26 to 28 degree. After that, we have to open these bags. It will look like this. Okay, and we have to add casing of 1.5 inch thick. Okay, so leveling we have to do, and we'll prepare the surface to grow the mushroom. So after that, we just have to lower the temperature by 1 or 2 degree on daily basis, and we'll bring it up to 14 to 16 degree. So maybe within 7 days, we will bring it to 14 to 16 degree temperature, and after another 7 days, okay, this mushroom will start giving production. This bag will start giving production. So this is a complete cycle. First 15 days we have to do nothing. Another 15 days we'll reach up to this stage. After that, that means 15 plus 15, 30 days. After 30 to 32 days, we'll be ready with the production. So after that, every day you will start getting mushrooms on your 1500 bags. Okay, so this is very simple, easy to maintain. We have to just maintain the moisture level and temperature. Rest everything is covered in the compost. Okay, so this is how we are going to do in, and the complete cycle will be 3 months. 1 month we have spent 15 days here, we are doing nothing but maintaining temperature. Then 15 days we are reaching up to this stage. After that, next 2 months you will get production. Every bag will give you 2 to 3 kg of mushroom. So we'll assume we are getting 2 kg of mushroom per bag, and let us do the mathematical calculation how much cost is involved and how we can sell it and how much is the profit. If you see, we have assumed 15 by 30 area, 450 square feet, and 50 gauge area where 1500 bags will be there, and complete cycle will be 3 months. Okay, this cycle includes 15 days plus 15 days and 2 months of production. So we are assuming we are getting ready-made bags which will be costing us around 80 rupees per bag. Then mushroom per kg, we are assuming it will produce 2 kg mushroom, and we are although the rate will fluctuate throughout the year, we are assuming 120 rupees per kg average will be there per year. Okay, when we keep on selling these 1500 bags production for complete year, then we may get 120, minimum 120 rupee per kg. So we are assuming we are putting growing all these mushrooms in a AC room, so we will have to bear the electricity consumption also. So we are assuming for 1500 bags we are putting 5.5 watt AC, so around 6 unit per hour will be consumed. Okay, so total unit consumed per day will be around 144. Okay, this is the huge cost, which is very costly. Rate per unit, we are assuming 6. It may vary, 6. Maybe it may be lower or it may be higher. So this is very critical thing. Rate per unit, we are assuming 6 rupees per unit. So electricity cost will be around 26,000 per month if we are doing it in summers. Okay, in winters we can save this cost. We are assuming for 1500 bags we are putting two laborers which will be there, okay, to maintain and to prepare the bags and everything. So we are putting two labor permanently there, and each labor will be costing us 8,000 rupees per head per month. Okay, so labor cost will be 16,000 per month. So let us see the, if we are assuming 1500 bags, then cost of compost will be 80 into 1500. Okay, it will be around 120, 1,20,000. Then electricity cost, we are assuming it will be ACs will be running for 3 months continuously. So 77,000, around 80,000 cost will be there for electricity. And labor cost we are keeping to 16 into 3. So two labor for 3 months will be there continuously. So we are putting 18,000, 48,000 for labor cost. So total cost will be compost cost, electricity cost, and this one. So around 250, 2,50,000 will be the cost, and we are producing 2 kg per bag, and rate per kg we are assuming 120. So we will be getting 3,000 kg, and this will be the output. So 3,60,000 will be our revenue when we sell all these mushroom produced in 80, all the 1500 bags. So you can get 1,14,000 profit per quarter. You can say in every 3 month cycle you can get this much profit with 1500 bags. So based on your capacity and your financial situation, you can always increase the number of bags and area available. And additional cost, maybe one time cost will be for setting up the racks. Okay, in 15 feet height you can set the 7 layers, 2 feet gap between each and every layer. So this is the basic calculation, step by step procedure, how we can calculate the profitability of mushroom farming. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next part. And this video is available in Hindi also. Link is there in the description. So see you in the next part.